Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to share layout number 7 for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit for January 2021. This is layout number 7, and I'm starting off with this sketch, which is one of my favorite go-to layout designs. And here's what I have out so far. I have my photo spread out. I have a scrap of paper. I have some tags that I've cut down. I have some wood veneer here on the surface just to remind me this is what I want to use. I've pulled a couple of washi tapes. I've pulled this silver scallop, and I've also pulled this green. And then I've pulled again what I have left in my kit as far as stickers and embellishments go. I pulled these. Oh, I had another one too. I don't know where they went. Oh, there they are. So I have the sequins in 3 different colors. I have these gemstones. I have these cork with the silver metallic foiling, and I have the brads. I have these stickers that I have stamped, and then I have some blank ones left. I have these stickers, and I have these stickers. So that's what I have left to work on as far as creating this layout, and I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created with that sketch. See you in a second. Okay friends, I'm back. I completed my layout. Just a reminder, that's the sketch that I used, and of the scrap of paper that I added, that's what I have left. I did not use either of these sticker sheets. No, I didn't use either one. So those will go back into my collection. I used both washi tapes. I used the red gemstones. I used the brads. I used the cork stickers with the silver metallic finish. I used 2 sets of the sequins, the darker ones and the lighter ones. They are self-adhesive stickers or sequins. I started to use these, and I actually cut that down. I was going to use that for my title, and then I changed my mind. So I don't know. I didn't use any of these. And this is the alphabet that I did use. And here is my layout. Now you can see I used my washi tape here and here. Across the top I used the 2 tags that I fussy cut out. I tied some black ribbon from my leftover ribbon bin and some red around that. Put the sequins on here, here, and here. Then used a couple of brads and a gemstone here. And then again here. I used a cork arrow here. I used wood veneer here, and a cork arrow here. And that is really all I did. Very simple, very easy layout, only because I think, and it came together super quick. This was like a 20-minute layout by the time I had my paper selection down and my tags chosen. The rest of it went together like a dream. A layout like this usually doesn't take very long, maybe 20-30 minutes at most, just depending if you know where you want things placed. And for me, it was pretty simple where everything was going to be placed. So yeah, this is layout number 7. I don't have any more full 12 by 12 sheets of paper. I used them all up. So what that means is if I'm going to create another layout, then I need to pull in some additional cardstock. So if that happens, I don't necessarily think I'm going to record the videos, but I will share those on my layout share on the 1st of the month, on the 1st of February. So stay tuned for that, and if you're new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and come back and watch more videos. If you are returning, I appreciate you being here and coming back every time to watch my videos. I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.